Welcome back, everyone. It's Albert Lebel, and I've got an epic challenge locking device, number 127, by the one and only Mr. Bill Bacardi. And I got to tell you, to be quite honest, I just picked this lock a couple of minutes ago. Let me show you something real quick. I don't know why somebody would do that, but there's an Allen screw on the back, and whoever had it before me rounded that sucker out. So I get the lock all picked on camera, and I went to disassemble it, and I couldn't get the freaking screw out the back because it's rounded out. So I took my Dremel just now and I cut a little slot in it so I can use a slotted screwdriver to get that screw out, and I probably won't put that one back in. So FYI, somebody jacked that screw up. Wasn't me, but I will correct it before I send it back out. What a pain in the butt it was a minute ago. Can you imagine my surprise when I couldn't get the tail off? Okay, so round two. Yeah, really chapped my hide. I have both metric and standard Allen wrenches, but the screws so rounded off, none of them worked. Alright, so slide this guy in the bottom to kick that little pin up because it's an Everest. On the top of the keyway. And I'll be using this pick that Bobby Key sent me with this. I think it's a Foxy handle on it. It's got the F3 on it, so I'm guessing Foxy. Not sure what it's called, but it's one of the Sparrows hooks. And I got to tell you, this lock here, I tried it 3 or 4 times. Not too long ago, I tried it and I couldn't open it. I'd put it away, try it again. I kept using the wrong pick. I picked this pick up right here, and the thing opened like I owned it. So again, I've said it before and I'll say it again. Try different picks. I forgot that. Alright, so let's try to get into this thing. Go into the back. Like I said, I just picked it a minute ago, but couldn't get the damn back off. A little bit. Counter on 2, I think. Okay. One. 2 again. Yep. Okay, falling into a false set again. Been there before though, and I lost the whole thing, so I'm not going to get overzealous here. Four. Okay, right here. I think it's like 3. Right here. Come on, baby. Don't lose it. Oof. Alright. Saved it. Back up front. Must have dropped 1. 2. There we go. Alright, just like that. Now, hopefully we can get the damn back off this thing. What a pain in the butt, man. I'll tell you, if you round off a screw, put another one on there. If you got one. Okay. Sorry, it just chapped my hide when that happened. I'll try not to vent. Alright, so we're very much open. Bada boom, bada bing. I'm gonna lock it back up since we got a key. Now, like I said, I made a slot in that screw, so now we'll be able to get that sucker out of there, just like this. Bada boom, bada bing. Alright. that screw out of the way. The screwdriver. The back. That's not going to come out of there, is it? No. Okay. See if we can get a shim in that bad boy. Oof. I don't know, that's tight. Oh boy, this lock's just putting me through the paces, man. Tell you what. There we go. My goodness. Alright. That little check pin I was talking about that we use that little guy for, it's coming out the bottom. I'm going to get it out of the way over here. Should have a little spring in it. Okay, why should anything work on this thing, huh? Alright, looks like someone left a spring out of that thing too. Alright, I don't know. I'm not even going to try to figure it out. Let's see what we got for pins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My only guess is whoever had this before never did an Everest before, and the thing probably just exploded on them and they didn't have a clue. But that's supposed to have a spring in it. That piece in the bottom, the spring's missing. The screw in the back was stripped out, so that's what we got. Let's see what we got on the core here. We got undercut in 1, threading in 2, and I think that's it. That's what it looks like. Oh, well, I think there's a slight undercut in 5. I don't know. Maybe not. It's not really grabbing. I'm just going to say undercut in 1, threading in 2, because that's what I can tell for sure. If I can get the camera to focus, we'll look at it. There we go. Alright. Bada boom, bada bang. Let's go upstairs and see what we got. Tweezers. We got, looks like a standard in 1. Nope, spool in 1, sorry. Let me get all these laid out. Looks like another spoolie-like combobulation in 2. I was going to say, did they forget to put that spring in there too? Oh. Alright, that was 2, so 3, another spool looks like. Four looks like a standard. 5 is another, oh, looks like a reduced. And then 6 is looks like a standard. A little spring in 6. And I'm guessing there's nothing done up top. Nope, no mods up top, I don't feel. Okay, bada boom, bada bang. Bill Bacardi's, what did I say? Number 127. Bill, thank you so much for pinning so many locks up, bud. I know I'm getting up there myself, but I can't shake a stick at what you already got out there. So thank you so much, man, and for all your help. It is really appreciated. Okay, let's get a good shot of these suckers right here. Good. Bada boom, bada bang. All right, key pins. We've got a serrated in 1, triple serrated in 2, almost spool-like in 3, really, because that's going to act spooly. We got a reduced top on number 4. Again, almost, that's going to act spooly on number 5. 6, again, it reduces towards the top. Drivers, spool in 1, spool in 2, 3, standard in 4, T-pin in 5, and a standard in 6. And the springs do vary, as you can tell. Looks like we got a copper in 3 and 4 here, it looks like. Or brass, whatever they're made out of. Again, Bill Bacardi. Where are we at? Number 127. Righteous. Thank you so much, Bill, for pinning it up. Thank you all so much for watching. And TGIF, y'all. Big Al signing out.